So traditional conservation has until now focused really on species. It's like an interview that we're doing now. The whole spotlight is presented on the person that's actually doing the interview, whereas a lot of conservation problems are not about the one species, but at the other side of the camera, which is the whole ecosystem. So this new approach that we're trying to promote now with rewilding is that we try to focus not only on the one species, but a collection of species altogether. It's the ecosystem in its entirety. It's the functioning of the ecosystem and how the ecological processes work altogether. Modern society nowadays is really familiar with the concept of species conservation. We hear every day about protecting species that are going extinct, and now we're trying to persuade people that we have to protect habitats to restore landscapes. The difficulty in this lies in two different aspects. The one is to give people to understand what is it in there for them. People always want to know what's their immediate gain for something that we're doing in conservation, and that's really difficult to bring across. The second difficulty is to make people understand that we're not trying to protect species, but we're trying to protect something that is even more abstract than that, which are the ecological processes. We're trying to restore habitats in order to make ecological processes function again, and that's something that people really have difficulties in understanding, and that's where people working in the conservation field have to focus now to make people understand that we're shifting from species to ecological processes. Ecosystem restoration resonates to the heart of people, and that's really, really interesting. I come from a country where we live close to the sea. Sea is very important to me, so I think that one of the projects, one of the ecological restoration efforts that really has grown into my heart is something like a marine protected area in Spain, like the Medes Islands, where after the conservation and the protection of the habitat for more than 30 years, you're able to dive into the water and see this fantastic array of all different species that's there. The ecological processes have returned, and this has been combined also with the facilitation of bringing people into the project by allowing them to dive into these areas. So it's not only the restoration of biodiversity, it's also the fact that humans are not excluded from this project. The humans are part of the restoration process, and they're able to see the benefits of that.